As our world becomes increasingly connected, the need for stronger, smarter cybersecurity has never been more urgent. From AI-powered threat detection to quantum-resistant encryption, today's cybersecurity projects are pushing boundaries to protect data, infrastructure, and privacy in ways we've never seen before. Whether it's securing national defense systems, safeguarding financial transactions, or preventing AI-generated cyberattacks, the race to stay ahead of cyber threats is evolving rapidly. In this video, we'll explore some of the most advanced cybersecurity projects shaping the future of digital defense. If you're interested in the cutting edge of tech, security, or digital resilience, you're in for something fascinating. 1. Advanced Network Scanner using MAP. The Advanced Network Scanner will utilize the MAP scripting engine. The project will leverage the powerful capabilities of MAP and its extensive library of scripts to perform comprehensive network scans and assessments. It will support various scanning techniques, including host discovery, port scanning, service enumeration, and vulnerability detection. The scanner will utilize custom or pre-existing MAP scripts to automate complex tasks and gather detailed information about network devices and services. This project aims to provide users with an advanced and customizable network scanning solution, enabling in-depth network analysis and enhancing overall security posture. 2. Advanced Network Packet Capturing Tool. The tool will enable the capture and analysis of network packets to gain insights into network traffic and diagnose network-related issues. It will provide features such as real-time packet capturing, filtering, and detailed packet analysis. The tool will support various protocols and offer advanced filtering options to focus on specific network traffic of interest. Additionally, it will provide visualization capabilities and export options for further analysis. The project aims to provide network administrators and analysts with a robust and feature-rich tool to monitor, troubleshoot, and optimize network performance. Instead of reinventing the wheel and writing everything from scratch, libraries and frameworks in different programming languages can be used to develop a customized packet capturing tool. 3. Exploit Development Metasploit. The project focuses on providing methods and features for automating the exploit development using the functions and tools available in the popular Metasploit framework. Metasploit is a powerful and widely used penetration testing tool that identifies and exploits vulnerabilities in target systems. The project will involve learning and utilizing the Metasploit framework to develop custom exploits, payloads, and modules. It will explore techniques such as remote code execution, privilege escalation, and post-exploitation activities. The goal is to enhance understanding and proficiency in exploit development, enabling security professionals to effectively assess and strengthen the security of target systems, networks, and applications. 4. Packet Sniffing. Security specialists in the industry frequently employ this technique to keep tabs on how data is transmitted across their network. Typically, a packet comprises the information or data that is to be transported between two network sites, from the sender to the intended recipient. This technique allows us to track and monitor the transmission of data packets from the source to the destination. You can do an outstanding final year thesis if you will consider this project. Network security projects primarily deal with networks intrusion detection, monitoring illegal access, and modification. When working with this cybersecurity project, you can either use Python scripts to follow the information in each packet or focus on its source and destination. Additionally, you can set up a system to trace any unauthorized access to critical information or ensure that the network infrastructure surrounding this packet transmission is protected from external incursions. 5. Wazoo Open Source SIEM. Wazoo is nowadays popularly used by businesses as SIEM solution in their security operations center. It is completely packed with threat detection, integrity monitoring, and incident management features. Wazoo collects, aggregates, indexes, and evaluates security data, enabling enterprises to identify malicious risks and potential behavioral anomalies. Among its many features are the following: intrusion discovery, log data analysis, file integrity observation, vulnerability discovery. Wazoo is an open source solution, so its full access is available free of cost, without any requirement of licenses, along with an amazing supportive community. Those who are interested in defensive security should implement Wazoo in their lab environment and experience its usage, which will surely distinguish their resume from that of others in defensive security. 6. Cloud Security Posture Management. This can also be one of the great and unique cybersecurity thesis topics if you want to stand out in the competition. Extremely dynamic cloud applications necessitate an automated DevSecOps approach to security. Organizations must establish IaaS and PaaS-wide standard controls and allow automatic evaluation and repair. 7. Cloud Access Security Broker (CSP). For businesses that have previously deployed several SaaS apps, CAS give a visibility and administrative control point. Using a cloud application discovery to uncover hidden IT resources can help validate this type of project. It is possible for leaders to assess whether their organization has visibility and control over sensitive data utilized and shared by SaaS apps and determine the level of visibility and control required for each cloud service. Contracts focusing on the discovery and security of sensitive data should be short-term. As cyber threats grow more complex and sophisticated, the solutions must evolve just as fast. And these advanced cybersecurity projects are proof that the future of defense is deeply innovative. From leveraging machine learning to building decentralized security frameworks, these initiatives are rewriting the rules of how we stay safe online. So, which project or approach stood out the most to you? Let us know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of cybersecurity, technology, and the digital frontier. In a world built on data, security isn't optional, it's everything.